Fine-tuning gives a model one fixed skill set, frozen at training time. But real workloads jump between math, code, and reasoning minute to minute. Transformer Squared, from Sakana AI, takes a different path, a self-adaptive model that reshapes its own weights on the fly for each incoming prompt. In this video, why static adapters fall short, what self-adaptation means, the two-pass inference loop, how singular value fine-tuning trains experts, how it compares to LoRA, the numbers, and when to use it. Today we've adapted a model by fine-tuning it or bolting on a LoRA adapter. That produces one static specialist. If you need it to handle a different kind of task, you either retrain, or you juggle a pile of separate adapters and pick one by hand. The model itself never notices what you are asking. It cannot sense that this prompt is a coding problem and quietly become better at code. Adaptation happens offline, once, and then it stays frozen. Transformer Squared is a self-adaptive framework. At inference, for each prompt, it adjusts only the singular components of its weight matrices to match the task at hand. Think of it as a model with a set of pre-trained expert skills that it can dial up or down in real time. It first inspects the request, figures out which skills it needs, then rewrites a small part of its own weights before answering. No retraining, and no giant new checkpoint. The magic is a two-pass inference loop. In the first pass, the model reads your prompt and dispatches it. A lightweight step decides which task this is and which experts to pull. It then mixes the matching expert vectors into the weights. In the second pass, the model runs again, now with those adapted weights, and produces the answer. So every prompt gets a model tuned just for it, in 2 quick passes instead of a fresh fine-tune. Where do those experts come from? Singular value fine-tuning, or SVF. Take a weight matrix and run a singular value decomposition, splitting it into U, sigma, and V. The singular values in sigma act like volume knobs on the model's existing skills. SVF freezes U and V and learns only a small vector Z that rescales those singular values. Trained with reinforcement learning on one domain, each Z becomes an expert vector. Tiny, focused, and composable. How is this different from LoRA? LoRA adds brand new low-rank matrices alongside the weights, introducing extra parameters to learn. SVF adds nothing new, it only rescales skills the model already has, using far fewer parameters. That principled constraint means less overfitting and clean composition. You can add expert vectors together. In Sakana's tests, LoRA experts barely transferred to unseen tasks, while Transformer Squared improved on almost all of them. How does Pass 1 pick the right experts? Transformer Squared offers 3 strategies. The simplest use is an adaptation prompt, asking the model itself to name the task and choose an expert. The second trains a small classifier that reads a few tokens and routes to the matching expert. The third, and best, is few-shot. Given a handful of examples, it uses the cross-entropy method to blend several expert vectors into an optimal mix. More context means a sharper adaptation. Here is why efficiency matters. Singular value fine-tuning is remarkably lean. On the GSM 8K math benchmark, SVF trained just under 400,000 parameters, against nearly 7 million for a comparable LoRA setup, less than 10%. Fewer parameters, less memory, less overfitting, and each expert vector is small enough to store hundreds of them cheaply. Efficiency is the whole point of tuning only the singular values. Where does self-adaptation shine? Anywhere a single model faces a shifting mix of tasks. A general assistant that swings between coding, math, and open questions can adapt per turn. Multi-domain deployments host one base model and a library of tiny expert vectors. Sakana even showed vision transfer. Experts trained only on language tasks lifted performance on visual question answering. And because experts compose, you grow new skills without touching the base weights. Conceptually, the core of SVF is tiny. Decompose a weight matrix once with an SVD. Freeze U and V. Learn a vector Z, one value per singular value, and rebuild the weight as U times sigma scaled by Z, times V transpose. Only Z is trainable. At inference you swap in a different Z per task. That single vector is the expert, and it is exactly what Transformer Squared mixes on the fly. When should you reach for this? If one model must serve many task types, if you want composable experts, or if parameter and memory budgets are tight, self-adaptation fits beautifully. Think twice when you only ever run one narrow task, where a single LoRA array is simpler, or when you cannot afford a second inference pass on a tight latency budget, since 2 passes add overhead. And the tooling is newer and less turnkey than LoRA array today. To recap, static fine-tuning and LoRA array give one frozen skill set. Transformer Squared makes the model self-adaptive. It reshapes its own weights per prompt. Singular value fine-tuning learns tiny expert vectors by rescaling a weight matrix's singular values with reinforcement learning. A 2-pass loop dispatches the task, then answers with adapted weights. It uses under 10% of LoRA array's parameters, composes cleanly, and even transfers across modalities. Adaptation moves from offline to real-time. So that is Transformer Squared, a model that adapts to you, prompt by prompt, instead of shipping one frozen skill set. Freeze the big model, learn a handful of tiny expert vectors, and let a quick first pass decide how to blend them. Cheap, composable, and self-adaptive at inference. Did this make Transformer Squared click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.